Hi, I'm Kunal Tiwari. I'm from Kanpur. I enrolled at CP Kanpur. I completed my education from Puranchan Vidya Niketan. I cracked LAT and made it to NLU Jodhpur. Well, there are two reasons to it. Firstly, because my grandfather was a practicing lawyer, so he was sort of an inspiration for me. And secondly, law as a field really intrigued me. One of my school seniors, he also was a law school and he studied through CP. So he told me about it, and some of the people I knew, common friends, they told me about CP. CP's material that they provide, plus the teaching, that one-on-one doubt solving, that really helped me in grasping the new ideas and clearing my doubts. We saw sort of a pattern change. So the main focus in our pattern was reading comprehension. It was more about reading. So I would study for like 6 hours daily, and it would mostly consist of doing RCs, reading comprehension, that is critical analysis and analytical quotients. So main focus was that, and it was weekly GK. That was my schedule, plus newspaper readings, opens. Well, first of all, the CP's faculty is like one of the finest, really helped me. And secondly, the material was really nice. They provide us 3 different materials. So like a beginner, intermediate and advanced stage. So those were the main practice books that we did. Mocks were really nice. Like in pandemic also, they provide us mocks. And like MyZone, like it's an online portal, so it provided us the analysis of each questions. Then we could go to the faculty and ask them. So from analysis to everything, mocks were of wide variety. Yeah, obviously, one of the major skills that you need is reading and comprehension skills. So you will be faced with a lot of articles and case laws you have to read. The CP material and the skills taught to us how to read, how to scan, skim and understand the patterns and the structures. So they really helped us to understand them and read them in timely manners, the case laws given to us. So these skills really helped us in law school and help us till date. Well, I was a drop student, so at times you would get demotivated, but the thing being that the end result that you were working towards was such a blissful feeling that in self motivated you. Plus you had peers, like I had a friend with me, he helped me, I could talk to him. Plus the faculty also helped us when we were low, had some doubts, self-doubts, he would motivate us. Well, currently I'm a little bit confused in that, I would say, but right now I'm focusing more on corporate law, that is mergers and acquisitions. That's what I want to really do. As a career option, law is a very lucrative option. I mean, law has practical operations and use in everyday life, in everything that you could dream of, from international relations to your day-to-day life. So law is a very wide field and it's very interesting. Furthermore, tip I would say, if you're preparing for that, you have to hone your reading skills. Reading skills are primary, your speed and how can you fast comprehend the thoughts. So that is really important. So reading like op-eds, and that really helps you a lot, forming opinion, what's going on in the world, the current affairs. Believe in the process, just enjoy the process. You will ultimately reach your goal.